Hello, my friends, and welcome to day 27 of the 30-day stretching challenge. If you're following along in real time, it might be Thanksgiving for you. So, if so, happy Thanksgiving. I am thankful that you're here and excited to get on with today's practice. I have a very quick session today to make it easy to fit into your day if you are celebrating Thanksgiving. This one is going to focus on helping you with digestion. So, perhaps you've had a large meal or two in the last day or so, and you just want to add a little movement into your day, get things flowing and moving without doing anything too complicated or challenging. So, to begin, find a comfortable seated position. We'll just take a few breaths in here together, feeling grateful that we've taken some time out of our day, perhaps our time out of with our family to make space for ourselves. Notice how your inhales expand the body and your exhales allow it to release more completely into the ground. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling out the mouth. To begin, we'll take some hip circles here in a seated position. You might want to place your hands onto your knees just to help encourage this movement. Starting in a clockwise direction, taking your right shoulder forward, your chest forward, and then around, sitting back, finding a gentle circular motion here, just doing what feels good in your body, taking your time with it. And if you haven't already, go ahead and switch, go the other direction. Find your way back to center. Give yourself a big shoulder roll when you get there. Inhale to reach your fingertips up toward the sky. And exhale, side bend, right fingertips to the mat, left fingertips reach up and over. Think about opening the chest, gaze up toward the sky. On your next inhale, sit up tall, fingertips reach up. Exhale, side bend over to the left. Right fingertips reach up and over. Inhale to sit up tall. Reach your fingertips up. Place them by your sides. Uncross your feet and then cross them the other way. On your next inhale, reach your fingertips up. Make a little cradle for the back of your head. Open through the chest as you gaze up. And as you exhale, round your back. Try to bring your elbows towards each other. Gaze down towards the ground. Take a few rounds like this in the seated cat-cow variant. And as you sit up for the last time, reach your fingertips up toward the sky. Bring them to your sides. Extend your legs out long in front of you. Give them a little shake out. Take the right inner foot to your left inner thigh. Sit up nice and tall. Inhale to reach the right fingertips up, past the toes, opening through the right side of the body. Take one more full deep breath in. Slowly walk your hands in towards your body, coming into a twist. Guide your right foot up and over your left leg. Sit up nice and tall. Inhale to reach. Exhale, twist, right fingertips behind you. Use your left elbow on your right knee for a little leverage to deepen the twist. Exhale, release your right leg long. Give it a little shake out. And we'll come over and do that on the other side. Left inner foot comes to right inner thigh. Sit up nice and tall to prepare. Inhale, reach up. And reach your left fingertips up and over past your right toes. Last breath in. Slowly walk your hands back towards your body. Guide your left foot up and over. Sit up tall to prepare. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, twist. Slowly release. Taking both of your legs out long, give them a little shake out. Slowly roll yourself all the way down onto your back. Take your knees into your chest. Give yourself a little rock from side to side. Double leg twist. Take both of your knees over to the right. Cactus your arms out to the side. Gaze up and over towards your left fingertips. Slowly engage your belly. Gently bring your knees into your center. Then release your knees over to the left side. Allow your belly to soften. And gaze up and over towards your right fingertips. Slowly unwind, come back to center. Give your knees one last squeeze into your chest. And then release everything long, legs long, arms long by your sides. Allow your eyes to close, releasing any tension in your face or in your jaw. Allow your body to be heavy on the mat. Feeling grateful and thankful that you've made this time for yourself today, no matter what else you have going on in your life right now. If you have time today, I encourage you to hang out here for as long as feels good. Otherwise, slowly make your way up to a seated position. You can roll onto one side and then press your way slowly up, crossing your legs or taking your legs out long. We'll enjoy one final full body stretch in together, reaching the fingertips up toward the sky, and exhale to cactus the arms out to the side. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you're feeling better in your body, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.